Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem, and it says to test the efficacy of new cholesterol lowering medication, 10 people are selected at random. Each has their LDL levels measured, shown below as before, then taken the medication for 10 weeks, and then as their LDL levels measured again after. Let D equal B minus A. Find 90% confidence interval for the average difference between LDL levels before and after taking the medication. So we have before and then we have after. And we need to find the difference of before minus after. So I need to find the mean of before and the after. So the mean of before is 161.4, and the mean of after is 140.9. And so that difference is 161.4 minus 140.9 is 20.5. And then we have the standard deviation of before, and that is 16.3517. So 16.3517. And I'm not going to put minus. And then 21.7227 is the after. And so what we need to do is we need to pool their variance. And so how we do that is we're going to take, there's a total of 10 numbers, and if I need to find the degrees of freedom of each, you're going to do 10 minus 1, which is 9. And so you're going to take 9 times 16.3517. You're going to square that, plus 9 times 21.7227. And you're going to square that. And then you're going to add that to 9 plus 9. And you're going to get, a total of 369.6278. Then you're going to find the square root of that, and that is going to equal 19.2257. And then you're going to multiply that by 1/10 plus 1/10, and you are going to get 8.598. And that is their pooled variance. So we're going to go back. We're going to end up using this number. Then you're going to take this 9 plus 9 is 18. That's the degrees of freedom of them pooled together, the pooled degrees of freedom. And you're going to calculate your t-score. And so to get your t-score, you're going to take your t and your 0.95, because you're going to do 1 minus 0.9, which is 90% as a decimal, 0.9. You're going to get 0.1, and you're going to do 1 minus 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.95. And then your degrees of freedom of 18, and that equals 1.7341. Now you're ready to calculate your t-score. So you're going to take this 20.5, that's the difference of your mean. You're going to do plus or minus this 1.7341 times 8.598. And you are going to get 20.5 plus or minus 14.9095. And your confidence interval for the difference between the means is 5 point, and I'll go out 2 decimal places, 59, and then 34.41. So I hope that this video helps. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.